Okay.
Valentina versus Daddy. This is Valentina's favorite, sparring.
Okay. Oh! Back it.
Pay attention, Val. Stop yapping.
Lean back it. Right here.
Come here.
Back kick.
I haven't put it down block, did I?
No, it's different when you're sparring.
Come on, Val, go. Come on, beat him up, Val.
One more second, then I win.
Don't forget the kick.
Kick. Good kick.
Hands up, hands up.
Keep your hands up.
That brings cut.
Come on, keep your hands up. Protect your face.
Protect your face. Protect your face.
Good.
Up,
That was a
up.
good block. Good block.
Top block. Top block. Low block. Low block. Slow block. Top block. Come on.
Hey, look, I want you to get stuff on your head.
Come on, Val, no playing. Be serious or you're not going to be able to do it in competition. You got to learn to do it good. Do back kick.
That's not back kick.
That's a, I don't know what that was. Come on, go. Stop talking and go.
No, leave it, honey. Don't worry about it.